Welcome to SpeakoClub. I'm Duncan. I'm going to show you what you're going to learn with each of the SpeakoClub modules and how. Live daily video sessions. You will be participating in live daily video sessions, debating on topics such as, is social media good or bad for society? Another example could be, are ebooks better than printed books? You will be given the topics prior to the session. Our experts will review and correct your mistakes, then send you the session's recordings. Group discussions. You would be participating in group discussions where you would learn how to communicate with confidence and while keeping an open mind inside a group setting. It'll help you improve your leadership skills, your critical thinking skills, and reasoning skills. Extempore. Extempore refers to speech that is unprepared and given on the spot. It'll help improve your ability to think, organize, and then speak your mind clearly. Mock interviews. There will be mock interviews conducted by industry experts. Mock interviews allow you to improve your presentation while also gaining confidence for a real interview setting. Vocabulary Builder. Our Vocabulary Builder is the world's first human bot-based app, powered by Oxford Dictionary. You are going to start with 5,000 words. Each word bucket contains 50 words. That is where we start. Note that the first 1,000 words are super easy. That is because these are the 1,000 words most used by English speakers. It is important to know their meaning, but also their pronunciation. For example, commonly mispronounced words include the word were, W-E-R-E, which people pronounce as where. I will show you how to use this module. The Professional Development module is a combination of live webinars and self-paced recorded sessions. There will be a webinar every week conducted by industry experts on topics such as non-verbal skills for interviews or how to think in English, after which we will have a Q&A session where you can clear your doubts regarding these topics. You would be able to unlock all recorded sessions where we have covered topics such as how to overcome shyness and hesitation, and how to make an effective presentation in English. Casual or daily life conversations. In the Casual Conversation module, you'll receive 2 short videos daily on these topics such as how to talk to an air hostess or how to talk to a friend at a party. You would learn everything you need to know regarding these topics based on these videos. Practical grammar. You know most concepts of theoretical grammar because you've taken exams in English. In this module, you will learn practical grammar that is useful in your English communication. For example, we will learn the usage of had, did, could, should, would, etc. There will be tests to ensure you've understood the concepts. Keep speaking. See you soon.